Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got an email a few minutes ago from the spaceweather.com website, and they had an article about Solar Cycle 25 has begun. Solar Cycle 25 is officially underway. NASA and NOAA made the announcement during a media teleconference earlier today. So, I know I've said this before, and we've had these little tiny spikes with the solar flux index going up to the low 70s, but I hope it's really the beginning. It will take a while, but hopefully every day it will improve, and that means hopefully shortwave listening conditions will improve. That's what I'm hoping for. I hope it's not another false alarm. There's this plot right here. We're down here, and so we should start going up. Now, this is like 2025 is when it's going to peak up again. So anything, we have really been in the toilet for a long time. We've been in 70 and below for almost 9 months. So hopefully, cross your fingers, things will start improving for shortwave listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.